Good boy. That's a good job. Excellent. How do you feel, Mr. Abhi? How do you feel? Excited? Do you want to go back now? Do you want to go back now? Where's your friend? Where's your friend?